Alright, this is my modded drop control keyboard. It has Lubed Holy pandas in it. Stabilizers have been clipped, tuned, band-aid modded. Basically anything to make it sound good. What else? What else? There is a case plate foam in this. Just basically anything, any major thing that you can do with this keyboard, I've done it. So I'm really happy with how the sound came out. Let us hear this. All right. As you can see, major improvements just all across the board. It just feels better, sounds way better. Um, I am, I'm really glad on what I did to stabilizers. You can't even hear the spacebar that much. Delete key, non-existent sound. Enter key, satisfying thok sound. Basically, stabilizers have a thok sound to it now, which I really enjoy. And yeah, that is about it.